Are you tired of inaccurate cuts, clunky adjustments, or just not knowing which miter saw to trust? Whether you're a seasoned contractor or a weekend DIY warrior, choosing the right miter saw can make the difference between a frustrating job and a flawless finish. But don't worry, today, we're cutting through the noise to show you the best DeWalt miter saws available right now. And trust me, the last saw on this list might completely change the way you think about cordless tools. Welcome to Tool Mentorship, where we help you build smarter, work faster, and buy better. In this video, we're diving into the best DeWalt miter saws on the market, all of which are available on Amazon. We'll keep it simple, walk through the top features, and help you figure out which model is the perfect match for your needs and your budget. Whether you're framing walls or doing precision trim work, this guide is designed to help you make the smartest buying decision possible. Let's jump in. First up, the DeWalt 12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw, model DWS780. This is the crown jewel for professionals. It's a powerhouse with a 15-amp motor and a 12-inch blade, and it slides and bevels both ways, making it perfect for detailed crown molding, framing, and custom trim work. The standout feature? It uses an XPS LED shadow line system that projects the blade's cutting path without needing a laser, which means better accuracy, even in low light. It's heavy, so it's not the best for job site hopping, but if you need consistent precision and flexibility, this is your go-to. It's definitely on the premium end price-wise, but the performance is absolutely worth it. Next is the DeWalt sliding compound miter saw, model DWS779. It's similar to the 780 but comes at a lower price point. You still get that 12-inch blade, sliding action, and a rock-solid build, but it doesn't come with the XPS LED system out of the box. The good news? You can actually upgrade it with that light later if you want. This saw is perfect for serious DIYers or contractors looking for professional level performance without breaking the bank. It's sturdy, accurate, and built to last. Coming in at number 3, we have the DeWalt 12-inch miter saw, 15-amp, single bevel, that's model DW715. This is a great pick if you want reliability without too many bells and whistles. It doesn't slide, but it still packs a punch with a 15-amp motor and clean bevel action. It's great for trim work and carpentry, especially if you're on the move, since it's much lighter than sliding models. While it lacks the crosscut capacity of bigger saws, it's still capable of cutting up to 6.5-inch vertical baseboards. It's a workhorse, simple, solid, and budget-friendly. If you're looking for something even more compact, check out the DeWalt 15-amp 10-inch compound miter saw, model DW713. Don't let the smaller blade fool you. This saw is quick, accurate, and lightweight, making it perfect for hobbyists or anyone working in tighter spaces. It bevels up to 48 degrees and weighs under 35 pounds, so it's easy to set up, pack away, and take from job to job. Sure, the smaller blade means slightly less cutting depth, but for lighter tasks and mobility, it's a fantastic option at a great price. Now, here's the one that might surprise you, the DeWalt FLEXVOLT 120V Max 12-inch miter saw, model DHS790 at 2. This thing is a game changer. It runs on DeWalt's FLEXVOLT battery system, which automatically switches voltage depending on the tool, giving you the freedom to go cordless or plug it into AC power. That means full power without the cord when you need it. It's a double bevel sliding saw, just like the DWS780, but with unmatched flexibility for off-grid job sites or tight setups. It's a bit heavy and comes at a premium price, but if you value cordless power and professional performance, this saw is worth every dollar. So, which one should you choose? If you want the absolute best in precision and features, go with the DeWalt DWS780. If you're after the best value, the DWS779 gives you nearly the same performance at a lower cost. For a lightweight, no-fuss option, the DW715 is a classic choice. Need extreme portability? The DW713 has your back. And if innovation and flexibility are your top priorities, the FLEXVOLT DHS790 at 2 is your future-proof option. If any of these miter saws feel like the right fit, be sure to check out the Amazon links in the description below. They'll take you directly to the latest deals and full specs. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more honest, practical tool reviews every week. Thanks so much for watching Tool Mentorship, and happy cutting.